Use the BOQ measurement models and templates without necessarily choosing a price list. Choose whether to load a measurement model or a template. You can customize the storage folders to save your measurement model, rule sets and templates. Select one or more measurement models from the archive, useful as a rule set for your quantity takeoff. Get a BOQ relating to the entities that meet the selection criteria of the selected model rule set. Operate in the same way with templates too. In this case you get the BOQ including detailed descriptions of the various work types.